Okay, welcome guys. So welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this 1 to A7 element appear more than 25% in a sorted array. So given an integer array sorted in a non-decreasing order. Okay, so yeah, so nice is non-decreasing. Okay, actually I didn't notice. There is exactly one integer in the array that occurs more than 25% of times. Return that array. Okay, so yeah, so this video I use the most elementary method. Okay, so what I can do is what I just count, right? I just count how many 1 appear, how many 2 appears, how many 6 appear, how many 7 appear, how many 10 appear, right? So I can and I already know that more than 25%, right? So I first compute the number of array, and I divide it by 4 at 1. So m is what? M is the number of the answer must counted, right? So yeah, so if you have let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 6 must appear at least 3 times, right? So then I create a dictionary, and if I in S, that means I already encounter. So that I count S, I count at 1, right? Otherwise, that I initialize as 1. So this S is basically count how many all the counts how many times each element appear. And if I count some, if I appear sometime, if for some I, it appears to be as I equals to m. That means I already counting m times, right? So that means I is the answer, right? So that's it. So you just count one by, you create a dictionary and count 1 by 1. Okay, should be very easy. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.